Today I'm trying Johnson's Paste Wax on my GoPro. I'm going to put it on, buff it out after I let it dry for about 30 minutes, buff it out. I've tried every other product known to man. Today it's this Far Wax, and we'll see if it keeps the water droplets off. I'm very hopeful. So I just finished buffing it out. Let's see what happens when you put water on it. If it beads or if it comes off. It's ridiculously good. It just comes right off. The most important thing is the directions say leave it for 15 minutes. You can't do that. You gotta leave it for a long time, maybe 40 minutes, 45 minutes.